Hi folks, we're at the Hobe Sound National Wildlife Refuge and in Hobe Sound, Florida, and this is the trails. So Wayne's going to explain it.
This is the mainland tract that's off of US 1. They also have a wildlife refuge on the Atlantic Ocean a little bit north of here in Hobe Sound.
Okay, we're just going to walk a little tiny bit and see how it goes here. It says the starting point of the trail.
Here's a self-guided trail.
With the directions. Okay, here we go. We're going to start out. Half mile. We can do it. Already they have benches so you can rest. It's a lovely day today. It's in the 70s. I don't know if I happened to mention, but this is in Florida on the East Coast. Here's another little resting point. Tells you about the wildlife that you may see along the way. We have a lot of seniors that take this, so they have to tell you where the trail is so you don't get sidetracked. Oh, look at the cactus. Oh, that's interesting. More cactus. That's pretty cool. We're looking for a turtle. It says this is where he crosses. Florida sand pine scrubs. Tells you what lives out here. As you can see, sit here with me. There's plenty of benches to rest on. So people, you don't have to worry you're going to get tired. As you can see, Bella, she's sitting here resting. Look at her, she's resting. Yeah. Okay, we're on our way. You can see the Intercostal in the distance, the Waterway. Wow, this is really cool. Really neat. It goes winding downhill now. Must be a lot of turtles in this area here. There's the birds. They have the trail marked really good so you can't get lost. And a lot of steps, that's the problem if people can't do steps. But I did see they had a wheelchair, like a big wheelchair for handicap. So that's pretty cool. Bella's even getting a good fun time. She's walking. Look at her walking on her leash, smelling everything. You can either return to the nature center or trail to the beach. I think we're gonna experiment to the beach. If you go to the right, That's the dead end. If you go to the left, that's a hammock trail. And we come out of the closing and look what we see. Ooh, it's the Intercostal Waterway. Wow. You can feel the temperature just drop. Pretty cool. And they teach you about mangroves. They're like, to me, a nuisance, but they help protect. Well, look at this. Whoa, this is cool. Wow. These people, they're fishing, having a good time. Wow, a lot of people fishing. This is so cool. On our way back. Such a nice little trail. Boy, they sure don't want you straying off the trail, getting lost. Yep.
Oh yeah, it's easy to get lost.
Okay, now we're returning to returning to Nature Center. This way.
It's pretty flowery.
Wayne spotted some pretty flowers. Wow. Not too shabby. What I never realized was this trail is so close to US 1. And look at, here's the building. We're done. Right there.